Jai Gurdev, I am Soumya of grade 8 going to present a recipe before you on the occasion of World Milk Day. So let's begin. First I will tell you why World Milk Day is celebrated. World Milk Day is celebrated as International Day established by FAO. FAO means Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations to tell us the recognition to tell recognition of the importance of the milk as a global food. It was started since 2001. So let's see the ingredients. My tasty dish name is paneer gulkan modak. So let's see the ingredient. Freshly homemade paneer, freshly homemade gulkan, grinded coconut powder and some milk powder. So let's begin with the procedure. Firstly, I will tell you the nutritive value of all these ingredients. Firstly, paneer. Paneer is a good choice for protein. It also contains all amino acids, and it also helps us to make boost immunity and helps us to repair the tissues. Second, homemade gulkan. It is made by the sun dried and a natural rose and sugar. It is a natural coolant of our body. It also helps us to repair the headache and constipation of our body. And I have also added some dry fruits. Dry fruits help us to boost up our vitamin and protein in the body and help us to control the cholesterol and diabetes. Let's go with the procedure. Firstly, I have made the dough with the paneer and some saffron. Then I will add some milk powder into it. 1 tablespoon of milk powder like this. Then I will add some grinded coconut in it like this. Then I will mix it like this. Grinded coconut will help to make a bind to it like this. I will mix it. You can add some more color or you can add some food color to it to make another color. This like this, like you can see this. Then I will take some paneer in my hand, and this is a modak mold which help to make the shape of the modak. I will put some paneer into it like this, like as you can see, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Then I will like this. Then I will round it to get a beautiful shape like this. Then I will put some gulkand and dry fruits into it like this, like this. Like this, and some paneer over it to full to make a modak shape. Now I will press it to make up a design like this. You can see over here, like this, like this, like this. Now I'll press it to make up a design like this. Then I will turn over it like this, put it on my other hand, open the modak maker like this. I will take this finger and push it up like this. Like this. Now you can see our modak is ready. You can make more modaks. I have already made the old modak. I already made the more modaks like this. Now I will decorate it in a beautiful way like this with some like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. As you can see, I have made paneer modak at home. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy. Thank you.